This is a Channel Master model 6545 portable reel-to-reel tape recorder with all of the original parts, including the original microphone, carrying strap, of course, original channel interesting, original Channel Master audio tape, original Channel Master take-up reel, the manual, and these recorders are pretty self-explanatory. The manual you really doesn't tell you much except basic operation. It does give you the specifications on the back. Leatherette style case, which is in really good condition for its age. There's no rips and tears. The zipper works fine. Mechanically, the recorder is in very good shape. There's no breaks or, well, there's a little scuffing due to its age, mid-60s, no doubt. But I mean, there's no breaks. The cover is in very good condition. Real cover. Hinges are all good. Side connections are all good. Meter's good. The function switches are all very good. The reels, of course, are your standard 3.5-inch reels. Machine is capstan drive. And the tape threads as you would normally thread a regular open reel tape recorder. I should mention, of course, that the recorder is 2-speed. It's 3 3/4 and 1 7/8 inches per second tape speed. It has the small capstan sleeve, which is normally stored here. When the sleeve is off, obviously it's 1 7/8, so you add the sleeve and your tape speed is increased to 3 3/4. And it's just a press fit for the capstan sleeve. I do not have the DC power supply for this unit. It runs on 6 C batteries with an external. There's an external power input, but again, I do not have the external power supply for this recorder. The recorder does have a few mechanical issues. One is that it was probably stored for many, many years in the play mode, and there's a flat on the flywheel inside the machine. Not on the pinch roller, but the flywheel. I don't know if you can hear this, but I'll put it in play mode for a second. You can hear that thumping noise. Low level, but it's there. It's more prominent on fast forward and rewind. It's one problem. Second problem is that in rewind, it doesn't like to start up. You have to sometimes give it a good nudge to get the rewind working. Sometimes it doesn't want to work at all. So rewind has a problem. Also, there was a battery leak. One of the battery terminals, I'll show you in one of the still photographs, was destroyed with a battery leak. I was able to fabricate a replacement battery contact with some copper flashing. See that in the still pictures. But we can try the record playback now. Okay, now we're in the record mode, and the meter is showing a record level, and we're at 3 3/4 inches per second. And all of the record functions work fine, and will show that the playback also works. Again, nice playback. A rewind, I should say. Not the best. Meter is showing a record level. Okay, now we're in the record mode, and the meter is showing a record level, and we're at 3 3/4 inches per second. And all of the record functions work fine, and will show that the playback also works. Okay, so the bottom line is, electronically it seems to work fine. It does have some mechanical issues. So if you're mechanically inclined and want to do a restoration on this guy, maybe it's just a matter of some spring tensioning for the rewind function. Not sure. But that's the operation of our Channel Master tape recorder.